I've had the honor of attending a number of Onsemble conferences over the years, and I find it extremely valuable to meet people in similar roles as ours. We all struggle with the same problems at our different sites. So to be able to sit down and roll up our sleeves and meet people from other institutions, not just locally, not just regionally, but across the country, has really been a win for us.
It's great to be in the room with people, talking to them, pitching ideas back and forth, seeing how they do it, how they solve their problems. I can learn from them, they can learn from us, and we all get it together. That's really the biggest value, is just solving our problems together.
You know, what's very clear over the years, being a business technologist, is how important it is to have really good technology partnerships. It's not just about the technical solution itself, but it's about the partnership that you can develop. So having, an organization like Advarra, being able to really partner on some of the key issues that face the industry, how we can creatively look at solving some of those problems, and looking at how the technology enablement can help from that perspective has been really phenomenal.